Mr. Harmless here, and we are in target 3-2, and this is number 3 on the study guide. The question says this: from the following diagram, Claudio is certain that he can conclude that K is on the perpendicular bisector of segment LM. So LM is right here. We see point L, we see point M, and so he's saying that K is on the perpendicular. So he's saying that JK is the perpendicular bisector of this segment. Caitlin disagrees, stating that it's just a median. Who are we going to agree with? Well, if Claudio was correct, we would need to see two things: perpendicular and bisector. Well, this is clearly bisecting it right here at point J, because we know that these two sides are congruent. But do we know that it's perpendicular? No. If it was, we would see a box, but it's not there. So that means that we don't know that it's perpendicular. All we know is that it's bisecting it, which brings me to my other one, a median. A median needs to go from a vertex to a midpoint. So if this is a vertex of this triangle and this is a midpoint, then this would be a median, because this is definitely a midpoint. It's halfway between L and M, dividing it into two equal parts. So the student I'm going to agree with is Caitlin. So I'm going to put down here, Caitlin is correct. And then it says, explain your reasoning. For me, I'm going to put down, and there's a lot of ways that you could say this. I'm going to put down, first of all, why it can't be a perpendicular bisector. I'm going to say it isn't a perpendicular bisector because even though LM is being bisected, it does not show it is perpendicular. Okay, but I also like to put a positive here, why I think she's right, not just why he's wrong. It is a median because it goes from a vertex to a midpoint. It is a median because J is a midpoint and K is a vertex of that triangle. Making that a median. Once again, there's a lot of ways you could say this. There are some key features in this statement that I would be looking for, but a lot of ways you could say it. Be looking for the fact that Caitlin is the one that is correct. Looking for the fact that it's not perpendicular. Something about it not being perpendicular is why it's not a perpendicular bisector. And something about the fact that it is hitting at a midpoint for it to be a median. Thanks for watching. If you have any other questions, let me know.